Hey everyone, welcome back. Today let's talk about a small part on your robot vacuum that many people may not notice, the side brush. More specifically, we are talking about the round plastic part in the center of the side brush. In older robot vacuums, this center part was usually small, but on many newer models, it has become much bigger. So why did this happen? As a third-party accessory manufacturer, we see this change very clearly, and it's not just for looks. First, the bigger center makes the brush stronger. Think about your robot vacuum cleaning under the dining table. It hits chair legs again and again. The side brush keeps spinning and bending. If the center part is too small, all the force goes into the small area. Over time, the brush may become loose, crack, or even fall off. A bigger center spreads the force better. It helps the brush stay stable for longer. Second, many new brushes are easier to replace. In the past, some side brushes used screws. You had to find a small screwdriver, remove the screw, and then change the brush. Now, many robot vacuums use a push-in or snap-on design. You just pull the old brush out and press the new one in. That's much easier for users, but this kind of quick-release design needs more space inside the center part, so the round plastic hubs become bigger. Third, the bigger center can help reduce hair getting stuck. If you have long hair, pets, or cabin at home, you probably know this problem. Hair can wrap around the brush shaft. After a few weeks, the brush may spin slower or stop working well. A bigger center works a little like a cover. It can protect part of the shaft area and make it harder for hair to go deep inside. It does not stop all hair, of course, but it can make cleaning and maintenance easier. First, the bigger center helps control the brush angle. The side brush is not just spinning randomly. The angle of the brush arms is important. If the arms are too soft or too flat, they may not pull dust from the raw eggs very well. With a bigger plastic base, the brush arms can be held in a more stable position. This helps the robot clean along walls, table legs, and cabinet eggs more constantly. But there's one thing to remember. A bigger center is not always better. If the center part is too large, the brush arms may become shorter. That means the brush may not reach as far into corners. So a good side brush needs balance. It should be strong, easy to install, and not easy to tangle. But it also needs the right brush length, the right softness, and the right angle. From our point of view as an accessory manufacturer, this is why side brush design is changing. Robot vacuums are becoming stronger, smarter, and easier to maintain. So the accessories also have to change. Next time you replace your side brush, take a look at the center part. That small plastic hubs tells you a lot about the design of the whole brush. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you understand robot vacuum better, please like and subscribe. We will share more simple tips about the robot vacuum accessories in the next video.